So now what I'm going to do is introduce you to our example cell that we're going to use as our framework or foundation to understand all of the different metabolic reactions that take place. This is a highly simplified cell, so yes, it's missing many important components and organelles like the nucleus, but just to orient you. This outer line, this is the phospholipid bilayer, this is the cell membrane. This yellow area, this is the inside of our cell. This is called the cytosol, very watery environment. And then this large purple structure, this is an organelle called the mitochondria. Now, the mitochondria is kind of special because it actually has two layers of membranes. So the mitochondria has an outer membrane and an inner membrane. So we have this outer membrane, then we have an inner membrane, and then in between these two membranes is the intermembrane space. And then finally, the region of the mitochondria that is inside the inner membrane is called the matrix. The matrix is surrounded by the inner membrane. There's then this intermembrane space, and then finally the outer membrane. The reason that we care so much about these different layers of membranes within the mitochondria is because the ATP producing zone is going to take place right here. So this is right where we have the inner membrane and the intermembrane space. So this is where we're actually going to be synthesizing ATP. And for the most part, most of our catabolic reactions are going to be taking place inside the mitochondrial matrix, whereas most of our anabolic reactions are going to be taking place out here in the cytosol, for the most part.